Yo, what's good, YouTube? We out here. My nigga Damian. You can barely see me. Niggas in the dark and shit. But plot for tonight is we're gonna go to car meet. It's street nights car meet, or street nights, secret nights car meet. It's cars and dogs tonight. We got my boy Lil Cut in the cut. Check him out. Check him out. It's my boy Lil Cut. Quit playing with him. There he is, my boy. There you go with the flash. My boy always sleep. Nigga size of my hand. But yeah, check me out. Nigga got cut because of this fool. This fool threw the fucking palm tree. Well, niggas got the skate 3 going. Yup. But we out here just big chilling. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a blessed day so far. And yeah, just we'll see what happens tonight. It's probably like I've been to meets before, but yeah, I just stopped going to them because yep. But yeah, I'm gonna start going to them more. Hopefully, we'll see. But yeah, I'm about to shower though, and yep, we're gonna go. Yeah. Oh shit. Okay. You can see me good?
Yes.
Alright. So pretty much, we just got in the shower. And we got my nigga Damian. Check my nigga. Yeah. But yeah, this is the fit. Y'all fuck with it? I don't know about the hat, but yep, Cowboys. Then my boy, he got the studs on the hoodie. My boy got the studs on the hoodie. Nigga got a sag label real quick, yeah. Yeah.
I'm not sagging.
Show him the ass.
I'm not sagging.
But yep.
I'm not sagging, bro. It just has long pockets.
But yep, me and the fan bam right here. Oh fuck, can't even see us. Fuck, can't even see us again. How you do this? Fuck. But yep. Forgot about your cuz. That's all real quick. You gotta do this shit real quick. Nigga gotta go back to sleep, bro. But yep. My homegirl Bella. Boy Damian. Okay. But hopefully grandma don't get mad. Niggas out here awkward as fuck. I'm gonna turn this shit off. Oh fuck it. Yeah, we out here, me and Damian. About to sneak out and shit. Feel me? Let's go. You're gonna have to hop the fence. Hop the fence and shit. Oh, what the fuck? There you go. My dog.
Alright, be careful, yo. You gotta go like tight squeeze.
Niggas is gonna ask me where I'm going.
Just be like, you're gonna go for a little drive. You always say that and they like, be like, okay.
Not sure. Let's go. We outside. See me? This is the whipski. No cap. We were gonna take Lil Cut, but it's gonna be loud. Fuck that. Just turn on the whip too. Okay, I'm expecting a phone call from my mom right now. But yep. About to go.
Just like go straight.
And yeah, hopefully we good. Alright. So fucking we out here. And you know fucking whipski. Fucking about to go and shit.
Black and shit.
Yeah, we're black as shit, but once we get there, fucking pick up the camera. What you got? Oh yeah, we got my nigga Damian in the cut with the Skittles. We're playing with Cook. Oh yeah, we getting some gas and shit. Feel me? Yep. Good stuff. Good stuff.
You want cleaning?
Yo, my windshield fucking 30 as shit. So look at this shit. Jeez. Gonna see that shit after. Look up.
Very good though.
Yeah. Boy Damien. Huh? Yeah. As long as it's clean. That's me. Say that shit.
Hiring me, bro. I need a job.
Tell it.
Cleaning windows, you can see.
Oh yeah.
Easily $20 right here.
Oh yeah.
$20 on my work right here.
Oh yeah.
Gaming windows. Gaming cleaning windows.
Oh yeah.
I'll give you the
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
We are gonna be on the way now. You wanna say something?
We're like 1 hour behind.
Yep.
Gotta hurry up.
We have just pulled up. Me and Damian. Came a little late, but fuck it. You know what? Fuck it, we gonna stop being bitch. We out here, my nigga Damian. Chillin'. All that smoking shit.
A lot of people can't do it.
I just filming.
You gotta get the free.
Well, I mean,
It is a film, you filmed it.
run. I forgot you can't run. This nigga broke his leg. What about spin that shit again?
And he's playing beat every
This is Damien's dream car. Sick ass fool.
I like the exhaust.
Yup.
I'll change the headlights to white. You know, like the other car?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll change it to white.
Fuck it.
I'll change like the exact same as the other car.
Huh.
Logo.
Logo?
Logo.
Oh, logo? Nah, but this shit's dope. Yeah. We're right here with my boy Damian. Ending off the night.
We chill right here and then go down over there.
I'm done. We're about to chill right here, eat our kings. And yes, I don't know if y'all can see, but that's the waves and shit. Damn, nigga. Damn, nigga. I just stepped in all wet. Fat ass puddle. Fucking shine the light real quick.
I think all of this is rich.
I just stepped in a fat ass puddle, my boy. Yeah, my
All of
nigga.
this is rich.
I just stepped in a fat. The sprinklers probably just came on. You still want to sit on it? Yo, what's good? We out here, just ending off the video. Yep, pretty lit day with my little homie Damian. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And yep, just be positive, be you always. And remember, every day is a blessing. So appreciate your time with your people around you, because you never know, man. That might be your last time, like, in their presence, I guess, or in that time period. So yeah, just treasure your time, because at the end of the day, we're on this earth for like a period of time, and that's it. We gone. And fucking yeah, fucking just choose to do things that benefit you in the long run, instead of doing things that fuck you over. Like, yeah, cause yeah, we all souls at the end of the day. So why why I don't know, but at the end of the day, just treat every soul with respect, and pretty much just, yeah, just be kind, be true to who you are, and yeah, be positive, be you always.